Are you selling your home this year? In case you are you wondering exactly what you have to reveal to potential buyers or disclose to potential buyers? If so, I'm going to break this down and let you know this is a very critical part in getting your home listed, getting it online, and getting it sold. Transparency in real estate is critical, and I'm going to talk to you about it. I'm going to go over 3 areas that I think is absolutely critical for you to know when you're disclosing features, maybe defects, anything along those lines regarding your home when you're getting ready to list it and put it on. First thing I want you to know, the actual Indiana form is actually required by code. It's the only document you will sign as it relates to listing and selling your home that's actually required by state law. The state legislature passed a law mandating this for any seller, even if you're selling it by yourself or it's a for sale by owner. So remember that. That's absolutely critical. Number 2, it talks about defects. State of Indiana does not have major defects. It does not have minor defects. It does not have material defects. The actual document talks about a defect. And let me read that for you really quick because I have the document right here. So a defect means a condition that would have a significant defect or adverse effect on the value of the property that would significantly impair the health or safety of future occupants of the property, or that if not repaired, removed or replaced would significantly shorten or adversely affect the expected normal life of your home. So that's number 2. You want to make sure you understand what defect means. And when you look at the actual document, the headings, the 3rd item I want to point out is, what does it say across the top? And that's really critical on how you fill it out. So on the first page, it has actually 4 items across the top, and your choices are none, not included, defective, not defective, do not know. When in doubt, disclose. Saying you don't know when you have knowledge of a defect is not being honest, and you can run into legal issues with that. And there's also a page 2, and the page 2 will go into some other items that talks about the history of the home. Has the home ever had any mold? Has there ever been any methamphetamines manufactured there or on the premise? Those kind of things talk about history. Again, if you have knowledge, you have to disclose. If you truly don't know, then you put don't know. So remember those 3 key items. Remember that Indiana seller's disclosure form is absolutely critical. And the golden rule, when in doubt, disclose. And failure to do so could be a problem and could put you in a position where you would have legal trouble. And obviously that could be costly. So if you're not sure about that whole situation, reach out to us. You can get a hold of us on our website at markdietel.com. Of course, you can call me anytime at 317-441-7887. We'd be happy to have a listing agent come out, talk to you about getting your home ready, and more importantly, go over the actual seller's disclosure and talk to you about how you can do things that could just make sure you're totally above board and you're protected. Thank you very much.